public locker lock, and it reminds me of junior high because the roller rink that I used to go to every Friday had these exact same locks on their lockers. So you would put the quarter in. They're typically open, so you put the quarter in, turn it, now you can lock your locker. And then when you come back, put the key in, unlock it, and it will retain the key. So I'm going to try to get this picture. All unsprung sliders. I think there's 4 on each side. These down. One of them went up in the gate. Them by side will one side will totally set, and then the other side, but it's gonna behave. Set. I don't know about this one. But on the plug when I'm setting these. At least not so far, assuming I've got those set. This one's binding. Set. That back one feels like it's set. be overset. Really feeling anything else binding on the left. And feels like it snapped back into the gate. It must have needed another little nudge. And then 2 was the last one on the right to set. So that will unlock it. You can, and that will retain the key. So that will unlock your locker, and it retains the key. So I'm probably gonna have to pick that thing back shut. This top one, I guess it's to service it maybe. To take the lock out. I forget how these lockers are made. It might be a bypass where you can, this will unlock the locker too. If you lose a key or something, I'm not sure, just to take it out to service the lock. I'll go ahead and try to pick that as well. Top, I believe, only has sliders on one side. So that retracts that little nub right there. So unsprung sliders, there was 4 on each side down here, and then just 4 on the right side on the top. So that was locker number 33, picked open. The roller rink locker.